to the channel. I'm so glad you decided to join me today. So today I'm doing something a little bit different. I was asked by one of the subscribers to show how I actually do my press-on nails. So I'm going to do that today. I've added a couple of new nail sets to my collection, and I think today I have decided to go with the Pretty Woman brand. I haven't bought Pretty Woman since maybe a purchase at a Five Below store like a few years back. So they've changed their packaging a little bit, and you can actually put your nail under the packet and kind of get an idea of how the nail set is going to look on your hand. So I thought that was pretty cool. I've got a couple of new Christmas sets in my collection, and I added this marble set from Modern Art and another really cute set from Lavish Nails. The brand is LA Colors. So anyway, let's talk about what you're going to need to do. First of all, you need to start with clean hands. Remove any oils from your nails. You can use just plain alcohol in a cotton ball, or you can use a nail prep pad. I've got a new cuticle pusher. I normally use a wooden one, but I decided to upgrade, so I have a metal one now. But the wooden one that comes in the pack, or any wooden one you can find, will work just fine. I decided to get me some new cuticle oil today. I went with the Sally Hansen brand. This particular oil was just a little over $5. The set of nails I'm going to put on today was under $5 as well from Walmart. But the star of the show is this coarse file, y'all. I know. You're going to need a regular file too to file your nails that are going to be underneath if you would like. But the star of the show that you're going to need a coarse emery board. Coarse file, just like what I'm showing there. So grab your snacks, grab a glass of wine, grab a cup of water, sit back, relax. Hey, if you got a set of nails and want to do yours with me, come on, let's do this. Let's get into this video. This step where you use the cuticle pusher, it's really important because this allows the nail to set in your nail bed really close and flat, so it appears that you might have gone to the salon to get your nails done. So take your time, don't skip this step. This step helps the nails to look more natural and sit in your nail bed very nicely. So don't leave this step out, guys. Don't leave this step out. So now that I've finished that step of pushing my cuticles back, I'm going to move into the step where I'm going to gently rough up my nails a little bit with this coarse file. I watched a video a few years back, and I thought this step was insane. I was like, oh my goodness, I can't damage my natural nails roughing them up with a file. Y'all, I promise it's not gonna hurt your nails. When I remove my nails look perfectly fine. I just buff them and keep it moving and put on my next set. So, but y'all, this step is critical. I feel like it helps the glue to adhere, and it's gonna make your DIY set of nails last longer. I've made a mistake and skipped this step before, or I've been in a hurry and skipped the step, and in 3 or 4 days I lose a couple of nails. So take it from me, with experience, it helps to do this little step. Don't kill your nails, just gently, y'all, gently rough them up. Thank me later. Listen, Linda, listen now. I'm telling you, this step is critical. Please try it. Don't knock it till you try it, okay? Hey y'all, so I'm about to speed up the video. I know it's gonna look like I'm killing my nails, but it's because I sped the video up. Just wanted to let you know, okay? sticky tabs. I'm going to use glue because I want this set of nails to last me 2 to 3 weeks. So the sticky tabs, in my experience, they only last for a few days, and I'm not able to get that salon look. They don't really get flush with my cuticle very well, so they kind of sit up when I use the sticky tab. So I'm not a sticky tab girl. I'm a glue girl. So you can see here I'm just adding a thin layer of glue, just using the applicator tip like a pin to kind of get it, over the entire nail. And with this particular glue, you've got to hold it in place for at least 30 seconds. Don't get in a hurry. Rule of thumb, 25 to 30 seconds, and your glue should set. Some glues set a little quicker. I'm not going to mention the particular brand, but there's one brand that sets a little bit quicker, probably in about 15 seconds, which is one of my favorites. But yeah, this particular one, and I don't like to base buying a set of nails on the glue. If I like the set of nails, no matter the brand, I'll just use the glue that they provide. You can always purchase your own glue that you find. If you've got a favorite, just use that instead of the one in the pack if you like. So just wanted to mention that. Take your time and hold that nail in place for at least 30 seconds, and your nails should work out just fine. You should get a 2 to 3 week manicure out of your DIY nails.
I am enough as I am. I am fully equipped. Even when the tide and the current start to shift, I am adaptable. I am adaptable.
And I just want to mention here, I like to do my thumbs last. My thumbs get in the way when I'm trying to put the rest of the nails on, so it works really well for me to just do the thumbs last. You can see here in this particular clip, I kind of overdid it on the glue. All I did was took just a little piece of Kleenex and kind of soaked up that extra glue on the side, and the nail was perfectly fine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're coming up to the end, and thank you so much for watching.
Not to be triggered every time.
Hey y'all, so I'm at the end of the video. My little lotion container is almost empty, the one I have up here in my room. So yeah, I'm gonna put a little bit of lotion on because I just feel like I'm a little ashy. So I'm gonna lotion up, I'm gonna put some cuticle oil, and then I'm gonna show you the final look of the nails. Y'all, I told y'all these nails match my dress. Like, I'm over here looking like a caramel latte over here. You know what I'm saying? With these brown dreadlocks. This what's going on. You know what I'm saying? Like, she done put some clothes on. She done put some clothes on for y'all. So y'all be asking for this girly stuff. Girlfriend be having a little cute. You know what I'm saying? It's like he got a little cute. I think I showed y'all before. Sally Hansen vitamin E enriched cuticle oil. That's what we're using. And I'm just gonna slap. Y'all, I don't say it, slap. Slap some on there. Do that little number right there. Oh, it feels so good. It feels so good. Ooh. Y'all know I should be doing an ASMR or something. Y'all know y'all be liking stuff like this. Yeah. Okay. So let's just rub that in real good. No cuticles. Everything looking nice. So we're gonna be looking ashy. From ashy to classy. Ashy to classy. Okay, there they are, y'all. There they are. The nails. The nails. The nails. The nails. Love them. Love them. Hey, they so cute. They so cute. They so cute. Okay, they cute. Okay, they cute. Hey. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I was supposed to have done this like video a long time ago. Shout out to the subscriber that asked for this video. appreciate it. I love y'all so much. Anyway, I hope you have an amazing day, amazing week, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like other videos like this, I think I might dabble into clothing hauls. Next time I do a big order of some online shopping or something, I might do a clothing haul, so be on the lookout for that. I'm going to try to bring y'all some different stuff. You know what I'm saying? I guess y'all be wanting your girl to get cute and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Like, y'all know I love to be outside and be looking regular. So, yeah, y'all done made me put some clothes on. So, anyway, love y'all. Thank you for watching. If you made it this far, you VIP up in the thing. You know what I'm saying? You VIP. I love y'all. Have a great week. And I'll see you guys on the next